Hi, my name is Ken Parsley. I'm the product manager for the UV-MP product line of printers at Mutoh America. Today we're going to learn a little bit about the new XpertJet 661UF. We have another video about its smaller cousin, the 461UF. You can view that as well. This one is going to be replacing our ValueJet 626UF. It has some new features. The first one being a new improved Epson head made specifically for UV ink. We also have a brand new lamp which utilizes Mutoh's local dimming control technology. It also has a new glass filter which can be easily removed and cleaned to protect the lamp. It also has a foam filter on top to keep dust out of the lamp. The 661 has the exact same size table as the 626 did, only the printable area is now 4/10 of an inch larger. The old one was 18.6 by 22.9. This one is 19 by 23.3. It also has all the way around the edge, hard to see when I got it loaded, an etched mark of the printable area. We have the same feature available on the 461 as well. It also has an external waste tank to make things a little better. The new UV lamp has 6 segments, which allows us to print glossy and matte varnish at the same time. It really has unlimited possibilities. So a couple of the things that we can print, and I'm actually going to have it do a little printing for you guys, is we have this raised varnish print, which has a raised texture here and glossy varnish right in there and in there. And we're actually going to print one of these second surface acrylic prints. There's white on the back. I think we'll print this flower one. I'm going to get that going. So this machine's also capable of doing 88 Braille, which I think is going to be a huge application for it. Now this is clear acrylic, so what I've done is I put a little piece of tape along the side so that the sensor will see the acrylic. So when it starts printing now, what it's going to be doing is laying down CMYK first, then white. Now both the 661 and the 461 XpertJets can be set up with UH21, which is our hard ink, or US11, which is our flexible ink. They can be set up either CMYK 2x2 at the bottom of the head, or CMYK white and varnish. And there we are. Beautiful print. Okay, well thanks for learning about the new XpertJet 661UF. We'll be coming to a Mutoh dealer near you very soon. If you want more information about the product or its features, you can go to www.mutoh.com. Thanks a lot.